For homeowners, DIYers, and makers, when it comes to paint sprayers, they should be all about freedom. That means freedom from ladders, freedom from extension cords, and freedom from manual brushes that make all the process very slow, very inconvenient for you to get a smooth finish. Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Santi with the Daily Tester team. Today I am here outdoors to show you a brand new paint sprayer. This is the Tilswall Hornet, and I'm very excited about it. I'm outdoors because I want to show you the flexibility and the portability because it's totally wireless. So got a few projects that I want to paint with you. Like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Well, this is a Tilswall palm-sized cordless HVLP sprayer that takes the concept further, and it's a compact cordless high-volume low-pressure sprayer built to the truly portable and easy to use for indoor and outdoor projects. Starting with the basics, because this isn't just another handheld paint gun. It's a palm-sized cordless HVLP sprayer designed to deliver a professional level automation without the restriction of cords and bulky hardware. And instead of a traditional corded HVLP spray gun, this model combines a brushless motor, HVLP automation, and cordless mobility in one compact unit, making it easier to tackle small to medium paint jobs with precision and control. Now, traditional corded paint sprayers often require extension cords, setup space, and a bit of balancing, but on the other hand, you got the true cordless sprayer that allows you to move project to project freely, whether you are refreshing the furniture indoors, painting cabinets or doors, touching up fences or trim outside, and that's the environment that this sprayer is built around. Maximum flexibility with minimal setup. And of course, the standout feature here is the cordless operation with built-in power, no cords, no hoses, no outlets needed, and that means the total mobility anywhere around the house or workshop without tripping hazards or power limitations. And the HVLP or high volume low pressure systems are preferred for smooth, even paint applications because they deliver fine automation with less overspray. And this makes the sprayer effective for everything from trim and cabinets to furniture and craft projects, and is designed to be compact and lightweight and is small enough to fit comfortably in one hand. And that's the real advantage for precision work, reducing the fatigue during longer sessions and letting the small users maintain the steady control across surfaces. And although the exact pattern controls can vary by accessory, a typical HVLP gun from the brand can include multiple spray pattern options, horizontal, vertical, circular, and flow adjustments, allowing you to tune output for walls, cabinets, or detail trim. All right, guys, over here we've got quite a few items. I got this table. It's time to kind of give it a brand new life. Also, we got this storage container, and it's just wood. It just has no color, no nothing. So let's go ahead and paint it. And then just a black cardboard, but I wanted to use it so I can show you guys how we can showcase the patterns, how it does horizontal and vertical, however you want. So we got a few items to paint. Go ahead and try it out. So first, let's go ahead and prep the gun and mix the paint. We're gonna add 50 milliliters of paint. So let's go ahead and get started. Going, and 50. Now we got your mixing cup. Let's go ahead and pour all the paint, the 50 milliliters, and then we're gonna use the same container so we can put water. We're gonna put 25 milliliters of water. Now I got the water here, and now let's go ahead and mix it. Let's just go ahead and pour it. With that amount, this is what we were able to get. As much paint. All right, guys, I got the gun over here, and I want to see the spray nozzle, how it does. First the horizontal, and then we're gonna do vertical. And this is the greatest part, that you don't need no cables, no extension cords, nothing. So let's go ahead and start spraying. Turn it on. One click. I have it side to side, so it's a nice area of coverage. All you have to do is just press the trigger. Let's go ahead and switch it to vertical and see how we do. So I think this brand new Tilswall Hornet is definitely going to suit homeowners and DIYers who want portability, the cordless freedom to move wherever the project is, the smooth finishes to finer automation than brushes and rollers, the ease of the use, which is a quick setup and simple operation, and it might not be good or ideal for very large commercial jobs where corded and high power sprayers can dominate, and industrial applications requiring continuous heavy output. So I think for everyday home projects, it's a very practical and flexible tool. So I think the Tilswall Hornet pairs the cordless convenience with the HVLP performance and giving the users a handheld tool that's easy to control, easy to move, and capable of delivering a fine and even finish on a variety of surfaces. And whether you're refreshing a cabinet or spraying the furniture or touching up the walls and trim, it can be a valuable addition to your DIY toolkit. So for homeowners and hobbies looking to paint smarter and not harder, the Tilswall Hornet, it's definitely worth reviewing more closely as a versatile and more portable solution. So that's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you want to grab one of these for yourself, go ahead and check out the link in the description below because we have a special discount for you. Stay tuned for more content and see you next time.